txt box 1, txt box 1, right, or txt item. So txt item is my text box name. I will add some items into this text box. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Now I want to transfer these characters inside of this text box. So what I will do, I will write the text change property. So double click on this text box, list box. Okay. So selected index change event will be generated. Inside of that, I will pass the items to the text box. So I have write here the text box dot text property and listbox 3 dot selected item dot to string. So it will pass the text item listbox item to the text box. Okay, let's run and check it. When I select this, it will pass to the text box. G pass to the text box. H pass to the text box. Now I want to update this character. Okay, I will update here and pass to the list box. So I will write the coding on the button of the update. Button create the index. So integer index equal to listbox 3 dot selected item selected index dot to string. Okay, and remove the index. So create the index of the list box item, this one. Okay, and remove that index from listbox 3. So listbox 3 dot selected index dot selected item dot remove listbox 3 dot items dot remove at index. Okay, right, and remove that old index and update with new index. Okay, so listbox 3 dot items dot insert what to insert that text box item. Okay, so txt item dot text where from text box. So txt item dot text, no, it is not. Insert index of text box item. So txt item, right? First remove the old index, then insert the index of text box item. So updated text box item will be inserted into the list box. So let's run the program and check it. I have passed F and named Firoz, update with Firoz. So click on update button. There is problem. Okay. The error is system null reference exception. means from text box 1.text I have got the null value, okay, to the list box. So here I have not added the text property of the text box, so add this one. Now run the program, pass G, Giriraj, update, click on update. Also get the null reference error. Okay, we will check. Put the debugger point here, and check why this is not working. Let's debug the value. Pass this C and it's passed to the text box item C. When I update this C, suppose C ID, then it passes from here. I am getting index, here also index, but when I go to the list box, that time there is CID, but in list box item I am getting null. Okay, so here is the problem. I am getting null value here in the list box. So what I will do, we will try with try catch block. So try catch block. Okay, so whatever the OK value will pass to the try. Let's run again. Pass E is passed. Now change E to the elephant. Okay, so updated value, get to the update, getting index 4, remove item of index number, here elephant, and now here there is null operation again. Okay, let's remove at index. Okay, just we will insert the text box item to the list box. So let's run the program. I have commented this remove at index. Now pass this character to the text box, edit the item. You can see there is editing item. Okay, select E, change with text, update it, it will set this elephant item. Okay, so this way you can edit the items of the list box. Okay, so here is the code. We have created index and insert the items whatever change into the list box, pass the text box item to the list box. So this is the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, share it. Thank you. Have a great day.